Imagine, just for a second, standing in a spot on Earth completely, and I mean completely, devoid of natural life. The silence here, it's practically deafening. You won't hear a single bird chirp, no rustling in the brush. Actually, wildlife utterly refuses to even approach it. We're going to dive deep into the chilling data behind this anomaly in today's explainer.
So, let's get right into part 1, the cursed land mystery.
You know, locals who live on the outskirts of this territory, they only dare to whisper about it under the cover of night. But their fear brings up a really chilling question for us. Why? Why do birds absolutely refuse to fly over this area? What kind of invisible barrier, or maybe some deep-seated instinct, is warning nature to stay so far away?
They call it the cursed land. And guys, that's not just some spooky local superstition. It's actually born from some deeply unsettling documented facts. Anyone who's tried to camp there to brave the elements and uncover its secrets, they return fundamentally changed. We're talking completely devoid of their own memories. They literally can't even recall their own names. It's like the land itself just wipes their slate entirely clean. That brings us to Section 2, the Lost 60s Expedition. See, this whole thing isn't just modern folklore. For decades, authorities have actively tried to hide the truth about this famous forest and cave system. But today, we're finally piercing that silence. We are going to look at exactly what was locked away.
The sheer speed of this tragedy is honestly staggering. Let's walk through the doomed first exploration mission from the 1960s. The scientists arrived on day 1, all geared up and ready for discovery. By day 2, they had their base camp totally established. And day 3, complete memory loss and an unexplained disappearance. They just vanished, leaving only fragments of their work behind.
Which leads right into Section 3, Mysterious Phenomena and Evidence.
Now, when you look at the recovered data, it is startling. Compasses didn't just point to a new magnetic north, they were spinning wildly out of control. Audio devices didn't just pick up wind, they captured these deeply disturbing, completely incomprehensible sounds on tape. And, of course, the absolute avoidance of the area by all animals.
Just to put that into perspective, in a normal, natural environment, you'd expect bird song, stable navigation, thriving wildlife, right? But stepping into this anomaly zone means stepping into dead silence, erratic magnetism, and alien audio. It is a profoundly unnatural and, frankly, hostile location.
Moving on to Section 4, Theories of the Hidden Secret.
Data this bizarre demands some kind of explanation. I mean, think about the evidence we just looked at. Spinning compasses, missing time, profound memory loss. What do you think is the truth behind this anomaly? What could possibly cause such severe disruptions to both our technology and the human mind? The source material lays out 3 primary possibilities for us. Theory 1 classifies this as a geological anomaly, specifically a massive deposit of rare magnetic minerals that's somehow scrambling both neurology and navigation. Theory 2 takes a paranormal route, suggesting a localized portal to another time. And Theory 3 points straight to an undisclosed government project and secret experiments. And the fascinating thing is, based on the available data, all 3 of these incredible scenarios carry equal weight. Until some definitive, declassified proof comes out, a massive geological anomaly is statistically just as likely as a time portal or some top-secret government tests. Whatever the answer is, the reality of this location remains incredibly unsettling. We're talking about a physical space that literally strips you of your identity and seems to defy physics as we understand them. The truth here really is stranger than fiction.
Which brings me to the ultimate challenge for you guys. Knowing what happened to the 1960s expedition, and knowing about the absolute memory erasure that supposedly awaits, I've got to ask you directly down in the comments, would you dare to spend a single night in this exact spot for $1 million? Let me know if that massive payout is worth the risk to your very identity.
We have only just scratched the surface of the data on this one, so be sure to subscribe to Secrets of Reality for Part 2, where the actual scientific explanation will finally be revealed. Until then, the next time you walk into a completely silent forest, you kind of have to ask yourself, are the birds just quiet, or do they know something you don't?
Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel and activating the bell to receive all the latest true stories and real-life secrets.